Hi traders! Let's take a quick look at the key account metrics you will see on the XM app and what they actually mean. These numbers give you a snapshot of your trading account, so it's important to understand them. Unrealized PL. This shows the profit or loss from your open trades. It changes in real time as prices move and only becomes final when you close the trade. Balance. This is your total account balance. It doesn't include your open trades, just the money you've deposited and any realized profits or losses. Margin. Margin is the amount of money that's set aside to keep your trades open. You can think of it as the part of your funds that's temporarily held while a trade is active. Free margin. Free margin is the money that's available in your account. You can use it to open new trades or to help cover losses on your existing ones. Margin level. This shows the ratio of your equity to the used margin, shown as a percentage. A higher margin level generally means more available funds. Credit. If any bonuses or extra funds have been added to your account, they will appear here. Leverage. This is the multiplier that allows you to trade with a larger position than your account balance. Higher leverage means bigger exposure and also bigger risk. That's it. Now you know what these numbers mean and how they affect your trading decisions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.